The birds, all the little birdies. All the little birds. All the little birdies that I feed every day. Today is January 8th. Sunday morning. Like almost 8, I guess.